Alright, so we're gonna start with this bird. Pretty cool. Going B tier, pretty good. Now we got Toucan Sam, great redesign. But it's kind of mid, C tier. Alright, now we got oh shit, hold on. Now we got I'm the biggest bird. A tier, pretty self-explanatory. There, now we got the one bird from a Grits Go, B tier, pretty cool. Now we got what the now we got the Pila bird, kind of annoying. D tier. Now I'll be generous. Oh, I'm generous today. Next up we have Toy Freddy, and well, you know, he's kind of fat. I mean, come on, you know, I mean, what can I say? I mean, he's gained a few pounds. I mean, compared to the other animatronics on the show stage, he's more rounder, more big boned. You know, ate a little too much pizza. Just because it's called Freddy Fazbear's Pizza doesn't mean you gotta go eat it all. S tier. Flamingo B tier. Oh, but this Flamingo S tier. So we have this guy. C tier. Finally we have what the hell is this? Alright, that's my complete list. Subscribe now, please.